Back with a Real Racing 3 video. I wanted to go over the effects that the people who make videos for Fire Monkeys and Real Racing 3, that would be ME7 and Real Racing 3 Speedmaster, how it's been helping me. Because I feel like if I can show improvement, then they can help anybody. So when I first started off, especially in this 2019 Formula One, I was like H level driver. So now I'm being pretty consistent with all the tracks. After I study, I study the videos from ME7 and Real Racing 3 Speedmaster over and over and over as many times. Like the other day, for example, I watched the Monza race from Real Racing 3 Speedmaster probably 10 times. So I'm still working on these other tracks, but right now I'm level E, Group E, and less than a second off passing the 17,000 and moving into Group D. Same goes for the Circuit of Americas, the Texas track. I'm in Group E and got about 23,000, but again, it's less than a second off the first place time, and I keep getting closer. Here at Suzuka, I have about a half second I need to cut off my time, and I'm sure I can do it because I make these stupid mistakes, especially on hairpin turns where I just slow down way too much. You can see that just by looking at the difference between my time and the global leaders and whatnot. These cats, I don't know how they're able to go that fast, but they're good. And then here at Silverstone, again, Group E, that's top 30. Got only 6,000 people to go, but you can see here, this 200th of a second. This is just me making mistakes, especially in the beginning where I'm not hitting those first two turns properly. Now, where I had my breakthrough was yesterday. I entered into the top 1%. I don't know how many people are in the Group A, but I'm only 3 seconds off, 3.733 seconds off the leader, which I find to be kind of crazy to even think about, because I'm gonna tell you, like, back in the day, I had no concern about getting faster and driving without, like, I was just racing somewhere. I can't remember where I was at, but of racing without the assists on. And because before, all I wanted to do was become a level 500, and I was done with Real Racing 3 after that. But I decided to get back into it just to while some time away during the lockdown, and right now where I'm concentrating on getting better. And I hopefully, in getting better as a Formula One driver, I can then feed that into the other cars. But right now, all I'm working on and getting faster at is all these other tracks for the 2019 Formula One series. Then I'm going to start working on the 2020 series. So if any of you have been frustrated with your performance, just keep going, because those videos that ME7 and Real Racing 3 Speedmaster put out, they really help a lot.